Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build this large aquarium tank in Heartopia. So you have to stay very focused. The walls and floors are 4 by 4, by the way. Then you are going to want to use the glitch. Also, before I start, you are going to need one item from the brick event. So if you don't have that, just don't continue, I guess. But you will need the balcony. Anyways, we are going to glitch our fish tanks. We need 2 large fish tanks, and we're just going to place them like this. So they're on a corner, I guess. And you're going to want to glitch that, essentially. Just glitch one of it. You don't have to glitch both of it, so just one of it. And then press done. Go back to build mode, and you're going to place that modular street balcony. Then I just added a light, changed the colors, add some decorations to it, and I just placed it there. It is very hard to move the decoration all around the floors, so just keep that in mind. Then you're going to add some plants all around the fish tank area, on the sides, so it fills in the blank space. And then after that, you are just going to add more walls surrounding it. You can even add lights to make it even brighter than it already is. Just then decorate however you want. I just used some pillars here. I did add windows for the thumbnail at the end, but I didn't do it here. But you can add windows, anything you want basically. And you should be done, but that is it for this video. You only need to glitch one time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!